Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will from student of nursing, Jember University of Lumajang Campus. We will explanation material effective code technique. My name is Nadia Rizkia. My last ID number 012.
My name is Julianita Hairunisa. My last ID number 016.
My name Apriliana. My last ID number 003. Definition: effective coughing is a method of coughing correctly where energy can be saved so that you don't get tired easily and can expel phlegm effectively maximum.
Purpose of effective cough. Effective coughing and deep breathing are effective cough techniques that emphasize maximal inspiration starting for expiration, which aim to 1. Stimulate the opening of the collateral system. 2. Improve ventilation distribution. 3. Increase lung volume. 4. Facilitates airway clearance.
Indication of effective deep breathing and coughing technique. 1. COPD. 2. Emphysema. 3. Fibrosis. 4. Asthma. 5. Chest infection. 6. Patient on bed rest of post-surgery.
Effective cough contraindication. Number 1. Tension pneumothorax. Number 2. Hemoptysis. Number 3. Cardiovascular system disorders such as hypotension, hypertension, myocardial infarction, or infarction and arrhythmia. Number 4. Edema baru. Number 5. Extensive pleural effusion.
Okay, effective cough technique number 1. Breathe in 4 until 5 times. Number 2, on the last deep breath, the breath is held for 1 until 2 seconds. Number 3, rest your shoulder and relax your chest and cough loudly and spontaneously. Number 4, remove phlegm with the sound ha. Can you try?
Yes.
Number 5, do it repeatedly as needed.
Thank you for all from us.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.